Beautiful.
Here's a quick video of this chainsaw. I'll show it in action cutting this 60-year-old mulberry tree, and at the end I'll show an unboxing and everything that comes in the box and how to install it and use it properly the first time. All right, we just put in some chain oil. We just unscrewed that cap. This battery will go right in here. Make sure you lift that top and it should click. We got our gloves with this top and that is pretty sweet. Look at that. I didn't want the tree to twist on me, so I decided to climb on top and give it a little push.
Beautiful.
That's so easy.
All right. It comes battery operated, 60-volt battery, anywhere from 16 to 18 inches. Once we compile this, manual, some earplugs. Oh, got a set of gloves here for you. Sweet. Looks like we have your charging station. There's that battery. Massive battery here. It comes halfway charged. Let's charge that up right now. Comes with your guard, 2 chains, your goggles, pair of gloves, your manual, some earplugs. That background noise you hear is the battery charging. Here we go. Oh, and it comes with an additional little tool to unscrew these bolts right here. Oh, that is actually really awesome. These bolts are attached so they don't fully come off, so you don't have to lose these, because this happens with so many chainsaws. You'll take these out and then you go looking for them. But these are a pretty sweet little mechanism right there. Let's put our chain on. Ooh, comes a little bit oiled down. Just have to make sure the ridges are in the right direction. Otherwise, your saw will not work so well. You'll use this tool here to unscrew this little lever down here so it'll fit in the hole here. All right, I think that should do it. Beautiful. Now that we have it on, we'll just tighten it. Clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen it up. I'm gonna place this back on. Love this mechanism where we just, those bolts stay on. Makes it so much easier. Beautiful. All right, we're ready to go. Just gotta throw that battery in, and we're gonna be set.